22,000 homes standing in the line of fire in Collier County. An evacuation order in place as two wildfires rip through the area. I'm Todd Tongan.
And I'm Nikki Mohan. We are following this brush fire alert with team coverage. Madeline Wright will be reporting from the fire line in Naples in just a minute.
But first, Weather Authority Jennifer Correa is here to tell us whether our weather will actually help these firefighters manage these flames. There is some rain in the forecast, but is it going to fall over the fire, and is it going to fall soon enough, Jen?
Well, it's going to take some time before the rain does arrive right over the fire, which, by the way, is just north of I-75. I-75 is actually the southern boundary of the evacuation zone. But you could see on the radar there are already showers popping up. Now, the past couple of days, we've been dealing with windy conditions, and it continues, especially on the east side. We're talking about wind speeds at around 15 miles per hour. That has not been helping the firefighters fight the flames because, of course, we also been dealing with wind gusts, but now things are starting to change. We're going to have the winds start to slow down as we head into tonight and tomorrow. Now the rain, we are seeing a lot of it developing offshore in the Gulf waters and even down in the Keys. But so far it looks like Naples area hasn't seen much rain just yet. Maybe a light shower or two throughout today, but the bulk of the rain will not arrive until tonight, and tomorrow will be a wet day. Now today it is definitely a wet day in the Keys, Key West. It has been gloomy and soggy, and it will continue on. I'm going to zoom into what's going on in Key West. We have some heavy downpours south of the lower Keys over the water. This is headed your way, so just have the rain gear with you. Miami-Dade and Broward, we're mostly cloudy for much of today. Todd?
All right, thank you, Jennifer. And our own Madeline Wright has been in Collier County all morning long. She filed this report from the fire line.
If you're heading from the Miami or Fort Lauderdale area here to Naples, you can expect it to look like this. It's so smoky out here right now, it almost looks like fog. Thick smoke billowed into the sky as crews battled a wildfire raging in eastern Collier County. On Friday, the county declared a state of emergency. Residents ordered to evacuate.
Our farm's burning down. I ran back here through the smoke and fire to try and save our last tractor.
I got my family. We got a reservation for a room, thank God.
Folks in evacuation zones are waiting anxiously, trying to figure out what to do next. The wildfire has burned 4,800 acres north of I-75 near Naples. Florida Governor Rick Scott is calling in the National Guard and warning residents.
Anything in your yard that you think is easy to catch on fire, get rid of it. You got to get rid of it now. Don't wait. We are dry, and we're going to be dry for quite a while.
As the flames continue to spread, folks in Collier County are getting help from our local crews. Firefighters from Broward, Palm Beach, and Miami-Dade counties are working together to fight the wildfire. The homes back here are all part of the mandatory evacuation zone, and these state troopers are trying to keep people away from this area. Officials say so far 6 homes have been damaged. In Naples, Madeline Wright, Local 10 News.
In Polk County, rescue crews continue to battle a brush fire there. That large fire broke out in the Indian Lakes Estates area. Authorities also urging residents to evacuate. Deputies believe this was a case of arson, and they are looking for that person responsible.
I can tell the arsonist, you see this fire, it's hot. We're going to be a lot hotter on you until we get you in jail. Don't sleep. Don't relax. Because we are on you, and it'll be hotter than this fire until you're locked up in jail.
So far, a few structures have been lost and no one has been injured. Remember, you can get the updates on all of these fires and breaking news anytime. Log on to local10.com. There you'll find the latest, and of course, we'll send out alerts on our Local 10 app.